For slide number 7, so here we are, slide number 7, it looks like this. It says interpret the graph. We've got a table here, and we're going to be putting another picture of our graph. So we will need Desmos again, and we will need this same graph, but we're going to be adding some things to it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and make a copy. So up here, so if you closed yours out, if you get in and click on the little hamburger up here, the 1, 2, 3 lines like a hamburger, if you click there, you should have your graph. So you can open that up. And what I'm going to do now is click on the name here, this little drop down, and I'm going to put duplicate. And I'm going to call this, since we're doing interpret, I'm just going to call this interpret graph. So now I have both of my graphs saved. I have my salary and cost of living, and now I have my interpret the graph. So now I don't have to redo the equations or the lines. Everything is right here. But we are going to be adding some pieces to this and putting those pieces here in our graph. So what we're going to be doing is adding points to our graph to show our salary at years 0, 10, and 20, our cost of living at years 0, 10, and 20. So let's go back to our graph. Since we already have the lines on here, we can start going ahead and adding the points. Now, once again, you might want to have your phone handy so you can grab a snapshot of what we're doing, or just write it down and then make sure it gets written here. So our points for salary, we want 0.0, and we want 0.10 and 0.20. So for salary, you know what, I'm going to swap out these colors real quick. Blue and red, because I don't think those were in the right colors for my previous one. That's okay. I'll fix it. Okay. So the blue is my salary, the red is cost of living. So for my first one, here is 0. At 0 years, my first, just getting started, I'm going to be making $29,120. So I am going to type in this point up here. So at 0 years, 29,120. I am going to make this, I'm going to A, label it, and B, make this also blue. So all the points I'm going to put on my salary graph, I'm going to make sure that they are blue. So if I move my graph here, there we go, and I can click there. And now I have a blue point and it's labeled with my numbers. Okay. And then for 10, I'm going to come here to the 10 and I'm going to go up to where my graph is and I'm going to click there. Now, when I click on the line, you can see the coordinate point. Well, I need to move it tiniest bit. You got to be real careful. You can just slide it really carefully. You guys are probably way better at this than I am. There we go. So 10, 7, 5, 5, 2, 9, 7, 8. Grabbing a picture of this because I'm not going to remember. Excuse me. There. Okay. So now I can again come back up here. So at 10 years, 75,529 78. Yes, I want it labeled. And I want this to be, oh, settings. I want it blue to match with the line. And once again, there's my point. There's my 10 years. And they're both blue. And we'll do the same thing for 20 years. So I'm going to come here on my 20 years. Okay, and I'm going to go up to the blue line because that's my salary line. And I'm going to click and I'm going to get my 20-year salary. There it is. Woohoo. Okay. All right. Then I can come over here. And 20, comma, 195,904.80 because it was 799. Okay, close parentheses, label, change the color to blue, and there are the 3 points for salary that we need. Excellent. Now we're going to do the same thing for cost of living. So the cost of living is the red line. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 0, 0, 120. No commas, remember. Okay, and then I need to change the color to red. And there's that. Same thing for 10 years. Got the picture. And 71267.98. Label, change the color to red. There we go. And then for the 20. I just take pictures of those numbers with my camera, and then I can go back and type them in. 20, 20, 587.03. Label, change the color. All right, excellent. Once again, once we have this done, we need to come up here and get the link. We're going to come back over to our slide. And once again, we're going to hyperlink our Desmos page. There it is. Okay, and then once again, we're going to export this image. Downloading it. Okay, and come here to that download. Going to copy the image, come back over here to the slide, and paste the image. All right. Once again, putting the title and the equations. I'm just going to copy paste from the slide before. Okay. And yes, I will need to redo those colors. So my blue is, no, done. Oh, not that. That's not what I wanted, huh? Over here, duh. I will need to change those colors because it should be reversed. right? And copy, paste. Nope, not there. Keep going to the wrong one. Paste. There we go. All right, beauty. And then the last thing I need to do is type these numbers in here. So salary at 0 years, 29,120. At 10 years, 75,529. 8 at 20 years, 195,904 and 80 cents. And then the same thing with cost of living. The cost of living, 0 years, 1,120. At 10 years, 71,267.98. And at 20 years, 120,587.03. And that slide is now done.